There is a new government regulation for the solar industry that can cost you up to 10 times the product cost in penalties. If you're a PV junction box manufacturer, a solar module supplier, a trader, or a contractor looking to procure solar DC cables for supply in India, it is very important for you to understand this regulation. Hi, I'm Ikansh from LKB Engineering Private Limited. We specialize in manufacturing electrical wires, cables, and solar DC cables under the brand Rallison. In the last 38 years, we have worked with over 3,500 clients like Tata Power Solar, Reliance, Indus, and ISRO, to name a few, in over 10 countries. We have facilitated over 5.5 billion US dollars in client revenue by supplying over 200 million meters of wires and cables. We recently helped a client save around 1.36 million US dollars, which is approximately 11 crore rupees. So, about this regulation, the Indian government has mandated the use of ISI marked solar DC cables within all junction boxes utilized in solar modules and for installation on sites. As per the new circular, solar DC cables cannot be produced, sold, imported, stocked, or even traded unless they bear the BIS mark. So, why is this important? Well, overlooking this regulation can have serious consequences. For anyone importing solar modules, PV junction boxes, or solar DC cables, materials are likely to get stuck in custom clearance, leading to massive losses and rejection of shipments altogether. Moreover, violation of the provisions of BIS Act can attract imprisonment up to 2 years or a fine of at least rupees 2 lakhs for the first offence. In case of second or subsequent offences, the fine will increase to a minimum of rupees 5 lakhs and extend up to 10 times the value of goods. So, if you're either importing solar modules, parts of solar modules for assembly, or installing solar panels, make sure that the DC cables used, whether in parts or in installation, are ISI certified. Cables with ISI mark have undergone rigorous testing and meet specific safety and performance criteria established by the Indian government. They endure harsh conditions, deliver reliable power, and comply with the current government regulations. We at Rallison proactively work towards being compliant with the fast changing regulatory environment. We are already certified by ISI for solar DC cables and are compliant with this new regulation. Our team of wire and cable experts can assist you in selecting the most suitable ISI marked solar DC cables for your solar modules or installations, and even the authorizations that are required for custom clearances. Don't let non compliant materials disrupt your business and eliminate the risk of BIS penalties and custom delays. Contact us on the details mentioned below for any queries related to solar DC cables. Thank you.